I decided that I want to do something, a nice look for Thanksgiving, because, you know, Thanksgiving is next week, and, you know, as we're preparing the food, we want to get cute too. So with that, I decided to, you know, go with this smoky brown look. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne if you're new. If you are a returning subscriber, a new subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today's video is all about this chocolate brown smoky eye look. And Thanksgiving, for me and my family, we don't tend to dress up in like gowns and stuff, but we tend to be on the more dressier side. So I figured this is a nice neutral look that you could do with something dressy. I'm wearing like a nice little sweater dress, or you could do it with something casual, like, you know, a nice sweater and some jeans or some leggings. But yeah, this Thursday, I'm excited for the family time, for the good food. And it's my mommy's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. I love you so much. I'm so thankful to have you. I don't know where I would be, who I would be if I didn't have you as a mommy, and I just love you so much, and I'm so happy to celebrate you this coming Thursday, and I just can't wait. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hi guys, so we're going to start off with our Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color Translucent Honey. We're going to go ahead and put that down as a base layer. Then we're going to go in with the NARS Soft Matte Complete foundation, because, you know, this is going to be an all-day look. Thanksgiving is an all-day affair. Whether you're going to be in the kitchen or you're just going to be going to eat and look cute, you want your makeup to really last and look good throughout the day. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. In the initial color is the shade Deep, and then I'm going to go in for a lighter shade, and that's Tan Sand Deep. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Match Stick, and I'm just going to use that to contour my face, and then I'm going to clean up around my eyebrows because, you know, I want those to look cute too. I am still in the process of letting my brows grow out, but in the meantime, I want them to look as sculpted as they can. So that's why I'm using just, you know, more concealer and things like that. Now I'm going to use my beauty sponge to go ahead and blend the concealer underneath my eye. And then I'm going to go with a light layer first of the translucent powder in the color Translucent Honey. And then I'm going to go in and bake, so to speak, because I am going to be doing my eyeshadow afterwards. So now I'm going in and I'm using my concealer as like an eyeshadow base. I'm going to blend all of that out with like a stiff dome brush. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use that big powder brush, and I'm going to set my concealer for, you know, with my translucent powder, just to make sure that it stays in place. Now I'm going to go in with this transition color in this mustard yellow color. It was really a beautiful color. And then underneath of that, I'm going to go in with this like medium brown color, and I'm going to kind of blend them together to get my own unique shade, because again, I wanted this look to be kind of festive, more on the fall side. And then I'm going to go in with the chocolate brown for my lid color. Okay, so I wanted to do chocolate brown because I just felt like it embodied Thanksgiving. It's giving me Thanksgiving vibes. It's giving me all the feels for fall, and I just figured it would look really pretty, especially with my hair this color. It would just really set the tone for the look. And then I'm just going to go back and forth with blending out the shadow so it's not a harsh contrast between the chocolate brown and my transition colors above that. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm just going to do like a smaller line. I don't want my wing to be really dramatic because, again, I really want that chocolate brown to stand out and be the star of the show. And then I'm just going to go in and prep my natural lashes for the falsies by just adding some mascara, and then I'm going to add on the falsies. Now I'm going to go through and sweep off all that baking powder, making sure to blend it in as best as I can so it's not any harsh lines from where the powder has set. And then I'm going to use this little tool. It's an eyelash curler, and it helps press your lashes with the falsies. And then I'm using my Kiss eyelash glue liner to get in the inner corners or anywhere that I noticed where the lash was sticking up. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to add this medium orange. I wanted it to be a little bit more on the orangish side above that chocolate brown, and I was completely satisfied. So I then went in and added my blush. I mixed two different shades. One was by the brand Becca and the other one was by MAC. Now I'm just going to go in and finish, with my face as far as putting my contour on and then putting on my setting powder. And now I'm going in with my lip, which is a brown lip liner, this Chestnut by MAC, and yeah, I'm finished. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of this video. I do appreciate the support. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you will recreate this look or something of this variation for your Thanksgiving Day meal or your Thanksgiving Day gathering or your Friendsgiving, whatever you're celebrating. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. It really helps to push my channel and my videos out to more viewers, and we're wanting the family to grow. So go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. I am just planning some really good content, so you want to be in the know. And if you haven't already, check out my latest video. I did an at-home movie night snack board, so I'll link that up in the cards as well as below. And while you're subscribing, while you're liking, don't forget to comment and don't forget to share. My videos go live on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. But again, if you're not going to remember that, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all notifications. I hope that you recreate this look or it gives you some inspo for a look that you're going to do on Thanksgiving Day. I hope you have a happy, healthy, safe, and blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!